Good morning. It's the 7th day.
Yeah, it's starting to rain.
Starting to rain. It's our last full day. Yeah, I feel those raindrops. Having breakfast, already had coffee, already got everything loaded up. Oh yeah, our pack's over there. So yeah, just gonna finish up here, head on down the trail. We gotta get water first time we see it because we about out. But last full day.
I'm not checking my stuff, make sure I got everything.
All right, well, we checking. I don't see anything. I think we're good.
If there is a next person, the nice 2 campsites right here already clean.
All right, 6:53. We're heading out.
We're off and running. My light's poking.
Well, we don't know how far exactly we're going today, but we're going to push as far as we can. There's going to be a little bit of ups, but it shouldn't be anything serious. Not like the big pushes we've had. But you know that map is really misleading.
Yeah, we'll see about what we got to do.
All right. All right, this is Wilson Gap. Campsites here. You know, this is nice too, but honestly, it looks about the same as the other place.
I think the other one was a little nicer.
Yeah. Actually, yeah, the other place we had stumps that we could sit on. So anyway, nothing wrong with this.
There's a trail.
I think we're going this way. And we do got some rain. Well, here's our first water source. So we'll probably go ahead and fill up because we're pretty low. What, from this?
Gotta be.
Yeah, we smell smoke. We turned the corner and maybe they had a controlled burn or something not that long ago. It straight up smells like smoke in this little area. I guess this is Windy Gap, since it says it on that rock.
You know what a gap means.
Oh boy. All right, after Windy Gap, we got a slight incline, and there's supposed to be an overlook up here, so we shall see. Okay, it appears that they probably had a controlled burn. It seems pretty obvious. Something about this makes me think of Alice in Wonderland. Well, we're making our way back down, and apparently we skipped over 2 overlooks, and we have absolutely no idea where they were supposed to be. So, yeah. All right. Coming upon another campsite, and this one looks really nice too. Hey, this might be where that guy stayed because I see that pile of wood.
Oh, yeah.
But, yep, we're about to stop for just a second, make some lemonade and eat a snack. Oh, God. Good campsite. So, we've gone 4 miles so far. Pretty happy with that. Mommy, what you doing?
Getting toothbrush.
Yeah, we gotta brush teeth too. This section in here's a little easy breezy. So 0 complaints.
Got my umbrella on.
This is us going down the trail. Something that looks like a incredibly small blip on the map turns into an incredibly steep uphill in reality. This video won't do this justice, but big old waterfall through there. We're about 2 miles shy of the Warwoman Dell parking lot, and a little bit back behind us there was an excellent campsite by the water too. Ready? Mm-hmm. Okay. So that's excellent campsite out there too. A whole lot of space.
Very good.
You need to go over there?
No.
Okay. Well, the trail continues this way.
So we're going towards that waterfall.
Yeah, we might actually get close to that waterfall. I hope we do. But that would be a great spot to camp as well. Yep. And you could actually see this trail over there. We came down and saw this trail, and now we're going back up. Y'all, that is magnificent. That's just the word. Wow. That is an amazing waterfall. And we get an excellent view. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. That's beautiful. That's amazing. Sorry this is a long shot, y'all. But, wow. And there's a path, little path to get a little closer. Oh, sorry. Oh my. So this whole area near the Warwoman parking lot has a lot of excellent campsites and waterfalls and all that type of stuff. So,
And the trail's in excellent condition.
it is. If we lived up here, this would be incredibly easy to do, just like a little weekend trip away from civilization. It might get busy in here, I don't know.
It might get busy tomorrow.
But it is really nice.
Yep. Okay.
Look at this cute little bridge somebody made. And I don't want to encroach on somebody's personal stuff, but look at the setup they got. That's excellent. There's a big old tent. Very nice. All right. I don't know if this is Becky Brown Falls, whatever it is. It is beautiful. Another beautiful waterfall. So this is random, but from the waterfall, well, you can't see it through these trees, there's a little trail that goes over there to that hole in the wall. Now that is creepy and interesting. And I'm tempted to go look, but I know that's usually a scary movie thing, so I'm going to leave it alone. Leaving it alone. Coming to the road. We're going to cross, and then we hook up to another road somewhere. And then that's where we're going to be in the parking lot for Warwoman. Okay. day, kind of busy. I don't know where we crossed. Now, we did come down the wrong way. Technically, we were supposed to take that trail that goes by that hole in the wall. We were. Because look, there it comes out up there. I'm not going back for that. Alright, well actually the trail that went by that hole in the wall, we were supposed to take that, and I wish we did now. Oh, somebody's coming and I'm not trying to be in the road. So, this is where you're...
Let's just go check it out.
What? You want to walk up this?
I'll go by myself.
Okay, I'll come with you. It's fine. All right, we're going to go walk up here now because technically we skipped this. Whew, some crazy looking shroomies growing on the side of this tree. We're going up just to do this little section that we skipped. God forbid. Okay, so we came back up here. I know she just wanted to come up here so she could fill up that water. I ain't filling up nothing right now. But this is just where there's like a water valve thing in there. Still feels a little creepy, but she getting water. I'm just ready to eat. All right, we're back down at the road again. And we're gonna cross over and then we're gonna connect with another road where the parking lot is. But I wanted to get this. It's the first sign that we've seen officially like this. 1775. Wow.
Well, his name was William, so why was them people putting RB all over those logs?
I don't know, but look, traced 1773 to 1777.
Huh.
That's insane. Oakley dokley. Yep, it is. You gotta go down these rocks. It's like steps. That's kind of cool, but I gotta put this up. Oh. Oh, it's over here? Okay, because I was... Yeah, this makes sense.
The trail goes that way.
Okay. Well, there's a parking lot up here. It's supposed to have all sort of stuff. Yes, bathrooms, picnic tables, trash cans. So we're about to do a well-deserved lunch break. All right, we still have to find the bathroom and the trash can. I don't know what's up with this place in the map. I'm confused, but tortilla, peanut butter jelly.
Yep.
Cheez-Its, Oreos. Yep, we got the same thing. We don't care. All right, gonna eat.
Trout rearing station.
Trout rearing station?
That's what it says.
Okay. All right, we finished our break. We enjoyed the picnic tables, and then we looked at the map and realized that the bathrooms are just further down. So, yep. Okay. I think we found the outhouse.
Yeah, I think we found the bathroom.
It's this little building up here on the hill. Don't know that I see. I don't know.
Inside the bathroom.
Hope there is one. So this is still in the Warwoman parking lot. They have this really nice big shelter up at the top of this hill with a bunch of tables and grills. And then that little outhouse over there. No bathroom. Yes, bathroom. No trash can. No trash can. So they have this nice board that says the story of Warwoman Dell, which is where we are. And this is William Bartram, who this trail is for or after, named after. Yep. Civilian Conservation Corps. And they have this, just so y'all know, hope I don't drop this, buddy. So we came out here, and then we took a left, and this is where we ate. And so we were confused about the toilet situation, but you just have to keep going because the Bartram Trail will continue this way. So glad I was able to use my hiking pole as a pointer there. Huh. All right.
Okay.
All right, immediately up.
Always.
Bartram Trail, Green Gap. About to be going that way. Yeah, the wind's probably loud in this one, but it's just so pretty. Pretty and green. All burnt through here.
Bob Gap.
All right, we coming up on Bob Gap.
Go up over yonder. Turn.
Probably just an initial up.
Turn that off.
Okay. All right, we're at Bob Gap. We came from up there. We're gonna take another break. Our feet are screaming. And then we gotta go up. Up that way. That's pretty. I'm coming. What is this? Okay, Sandy Gap. Yes, I have the camera going.
Good.
All right, we made it to the river. This is where we're camping tonight. Not right here, but there is a campsite over there. I don't know how you get to it, but somewhere up here at the 9.5 mile marker is supposed to be a campsite, and that's the one we're shooting for. And we are really ready to be there. All right, y'all, this is a very confusing section. So at the end of this, it looks like maybe the trail goes that way, to the left or the right, but when you look at all trails, you're completely off the map. So we're going back down here, and see there's a yellow marker on that tree, and that's it. There's nothing else over here.
No way.
So
Right.
we are assuming that we need to go over there, which is also where the campsite is, but in looking through the trees, there's no yellow over there. There's no yellow on the tree over there. There's no yellow here to indicate that we're supposed to go that way. So we're gonna go over there and just see what happens. I don't know.
That is cold.
We had to do this river crossing at the end of the day. Don't step on that brown rock.
That one?
Yeah. Oh, shoot.
What? Okay.
There better be some yellow over here. I'm gonna scream. Oh my God. We're gonna reevaluate that in a minute. Okay, down there.
Putting your head tonight.
To the right.
Now, what does that mean?
Hold on. Oh boy. Okay.
Up or down?
Up
Up or down?
up. We got our tent set up over here in the back. I got to get all my stuff inside. I might need to pull that Tyvek over a little bit.
Oh man, that root's right in my way.
Is it really?
It's right there. Stupid root. I have to just sleep over on the other side.
Okay. Mommy's patching up a hole she accidentally poked with her gator. That was quick and easy.
Done.
Okay, well, that was quicker than I thought. I've got my stuff out that I'll need to make food and filter water. Got my little setup going. Same as it always is, but I feel really good about it. Mommy, are you ready to eat?
Just as soon as I finish what I'm doing.
I'm hungry. Getting a little low on the food, but we got mashed potatoes, golden, buttery. Gonna have my Oreos again, fake ones. Mommy,
Same thing.
ramen and chicken. I was also still hungry afterwards, so I'm having the dry ramen with the sauce mixed in. I like the crunch. I'm ready to lay down. All right, we got our food bags hung. Yeah. And time to get in bed.
Yep, time to go to bed.
All right, y'all, we say goodnight. This is our last campsite of the trip.
Yep, been a good trip. Can't
It's-
wait for the next one.
Yeah, it's been a good trip.
Good night.
Good night.